In this video, we're going to show you how to create a serial number using the Sketchbook software on your MarkinBOX unit. First, we are going to click and drag out a text field. Now we're going to select More. This is going to give us additional settings for our text fields. Everything from mirroring the image, pause functions, reverse marking, logo marking, serializing, and calendar. For this example, we're going to do serial. Now that we've selected serial settings, we need to understand the different formats. Our first format is going to show the zeros of the max value. Secondly, you're going to be aligning the serial number to the left with no zeros. Third, it's going to align to the right with no zeros. And finally, you're going to be counting up using alphabetical characters. Now we can work on our text. First, we're going to type out a set of static characters and then use the format with the included zeros. Under max value, we're going to set it at 99 with a min value of 1 and the present value at 0. Then we're going to have it reset at a max. So it's going to reset at the max value, or at the end of the year, the end of the month, the end of the day, a specific time, or at the end of a shift. And then with the stop, it will reach its max value and then set off an alarm that will need to be reset by the user. Then we have the ability to change repetition. So we can change it from 1 to 2 to 4, etc. And then skip numbers where you could do every other, every third, every fourth, and on. Now that we have our serial settings finalized, you will notice in the grid we have our A, B, and 0, 0. We'll select Done, and in the properties you'll now see AB in the @ sign. Everything from the @ sign to the right will be your variable field. Now we can adjust our other settings. So our height we're going to change to 4.5 millimeter tall characters. Width we're going to leave at 60, and our pitch we're going to change to 4.2. Next we're going to change our force and speed. Again, we have our defaults, but we are going to use advanced settings. And our force we're going to set at 20, and our speed we're going to set at 20 as well. Then we can move on to our positioning. For our X, we are going to change that to 1 millimeter, and our Y to 5 millimeters. Once we have these settings finalized, we can now move on to the marking process.